What sandwich did you
Look
get?
how sad Angel looks, buddy. She's so sad because we're leaving again. Sorry, Jojo.
Don't worry.
Oh,
Don't
Jojo.
run around.
We'll be back, Angel.
Don't
What was that? Buddy, you look so cute this morning.
Thank you.
Oh. So we're going to be going to LA and I'm going to go to the dentist because my cousin's a dentist. And we like nice white teeth.
Nice way, but you were eating.
I was born into this rat race we call life. Mama taught me to be good, very nice. Dad brought me up to be polite. You gave me life. You gave me life. You gave me life. I remember Dad and me. I must have been 17. Always there for me. I was told from left to right. Should've do wrong from right. Headed down the road I couldn't see.
Good morning. All right, it looks like we made it. They're in the car and I'm going to see if anybody's up. We made it to LA. I'm actually going to be staying at my sister's house this time. Let's see if they're here. We've only been here 2 minutes. He's got the party music and he's dancing at 8:01 in the morning. Hi Juju, how you feeling today?
Good.
All right.
No pain at all.
Oh, praise God,
This
Juju
day.
B.
Not even at
None in your tummy or nothing?
no.
Oh, good. Oh, look who it is. I got me and my little mama. So we're going to one of my old haunts in the valley. It's called Tikka Chicken. And it's very healthy chicken. It's really good. Except they changed the name a little bit. They're trying to be more hip now. So it's California Tikka Chicken. But nonetheless, still good. It's going to be killer. They have these cool plates. But I'm going to get a sub sandwich. My buddy's already... Oh, really good. There it is. I'm taking a 12-inch tikka sub. Look at that.
I'll take a 6-inch.
And can I get mine with no pickle? Tomatoes, okay, just no pickle.
What all comes on it?
I don't remember. You know, let's get him a plate because I feel like getting a plate too. It has vegetables and let me see. Nope, it's the where is it? Tikka chicken combo. Vegetables. What kind are you gonna get? Rock, I used to come here every day for lunch. But there was another one. What are you getting? You want Coke, huh?
Yeah.
What's the matter with you? You're like you're crazy for the Coke, huh? Hands out of the mouth. Good job.
No hope
All right.
know who you are, but why don't you tell our fans who you are?
And they are Jennifer and Thea Peter's niece. My mom is his sister.
This is the menu. It's so yummy. So delicious. And then I go back over it with a fine tooth comb Oh, there she is. Look, look at that hair. I wish I had that hair. Are you ready, buddy? Look, look who's ready. He's already seated and ready to go.
You want water or does he have a...
I don't know what he's ordered for him. Oh, probably a...
My sister has a daughter. I have a son.
He's over there.
What are you getting?
I'm getting pico de gallo.
Oh.
Right? That is pico de gallo, right?
This is an India place. I don't think that's people to go.
It's okay. I like this stuff anyway.
Remember me? I eat the food before I show you guys. It didn't even have a chance. It's so good. Mmm.
And how many of the chickens?
Everybody's mouth is full.
I've never really had lamb.
Get the pickles, though. Get the pickles.
This is the owner after so many years. Look at that. Still looks good. Amazing. He's like a star. He should be in Las Vegas. Hi guys. Alright, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to hear me because of the wind, but I came to my cousin's. He's a dentist, I think I told you guys. So now I'm here. I just got dropped off, and now I'm gonna go inside and get my tooth pulled. Oh my gosh. So what happened is I used to, when I first started singing in Vegas, it's very dry, and I wasn't used to that. Being in LA, it's very moist. So when I sang, my voice got really dry. So I started taking lifesavers, and I noticed that salivated my mouth, and I never got dry mouth, and I could sing great. Except it started taking my teeth out with cavities. So when I started to get lazy, I went to a dentist in Vegas. He capped it, and that cap went bad. So a cavity got under the cap and destroyed the tooth. So now he has to pull it out. Bummer, huh? This is my cousin. This is his office anyway. Dr. Carlos M. Delgado Jr. That's his phone number. He's in Montebello. There you go. Look at these guys are looking at me videotaping myself. It's because I'm not, look, I know it looks stupid that I'm holding this like this, but people are actually gonna watch this. My friends are gonna watch this.
Where are you gonna
731 friends so far.
Where you post it?
I will give you a card, and I will let you know where it gets posted.
Hi Peter, welcome.
By the way, alright, so what's your name?
Felix.
Yes. And that's it? Felix?
Felix Garcia
From
LA.
Alright, orale.
East LA.
Yeah. I got a lot of friends from East LA. Remember Hubbard parties?
No.
What's your name?
Nelly.
What is it?
Nelly?
And where are you from?
Sinaloa.
Wow. In case you don't know what that is, that's Sinaloa, Mexico.
Yes.
Sinaloa, Mexico.
Oh, that's beautiful. Well, these are the two girls that work so hard for my cousin. Is he working hard?
Very hard.
Yes, we've been busy.
Man, I just missed my cousin. Oh, yeah, he went into the restroom. Darn it. Sounded like Rock was in there. That's what we hear at the house. We hear that and we're like, oh, is he in the bathroom? Hurry, wait. Let me wipe him. Hold on. I'll get it. It's me. See, I told you, this is why people watch this stuff. No, it's not even ever this entertaining.
So funny. Yeah. Oh my god.
So, you know what I was thinking too? I was thinking, you know, my parents did a lot of sacrifice in my life too. You know, how as parents, what we do for our kids.
Yes.
And my poor mom. And my poor dad, when they saw me acting all crazy, what they must have thought, ay, this kid. And my mom came to see me sing the other day for Father's Day because my dad's dead. And so she's like both, you know, and it was so nice. She's like, I'm so proud of you. And it was so hot. Like, I was like, Mom, you gotta go. You know, I don't want you to stay. She's like, I stay at one show. I'm like, okay, man. She was out there. Oh my gosh, sweltering. Sweltering. Yeah. Yeah. So that was really, so that was nice. So all this crazy stuff you see me doing, and I'm nuts and all that, but at least I make money at it. And my parents sacrificed their lives, and you know, he went to school. I mean, look at this. This is what he did. Look at USC, man. This guy graduated. He went to school. Me? I play drums.
You sing too?
No, I'm a singer, yeah. But I like the drums, man. I hope I end up just playing the drums. That'll be fun. Hey, how about 1986? This looks like, oh, look, there he is. The man we've been waiting for.
How are you?
Good, how about you?
Okay.
All right.
See ya.
Ready to fix somebody else's problems? Yeah, I was just telling everybody how my mom and dad probably thought, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do with this kid? You know, and then look at what he did. It's awesome. All right, let's go pull a tooth.
Let's numb it.
Let's pull it raw like that, Junior. Come on, I'm a man. All right, so I got the numbing solution going on. You can tell because I'm starting to talk like this.
Okay, so I gave it 2.
All right, killer, thank you. By the way, we're doing a party for Rock. So I don't. So if you, I don't know if you're gonna be around July 10th. If you could get a quick flight out there to come out and hang.
What day is it?
It's a Monday night. I'm gonna text or I'll email it to you,
Yeah, send me.
so you know. What reminded me is we were thinking of using those scripts for the invites. You know, because they have them, you know, where you could buy them and they look like prescriptions. Yeah, they'll say Junior or whatever Carlos got on. That's pretty cool. So that's the culprit we're going to try to get out today. What's scary about it is down here, it's got that hook and it's going to be anchored in.
Hook.
Yeah. You know what that means? It's like a wisdom tooth. Listen to my cousin. All the schooling in the world doesn't make that any better. Dude. Lifesavers. Dang. We're gonna poke around and see if I'm numb.
Okay, so more than likely, the tooth is probably gonna fracture. This part. Even though we already removed the crown, you still have some tooth there. So we might actually have to intentionally section the tooth and take out this first and then take that out.
That we have more success instead of trying to take it out whole.
I don't think it's going to come out in one piece.
I was gonna ask you that. If you thought it was gonna disintegrate, and I was gonna ask you, does that help or does that hurt? You know?
Yeah, usually it'll break, like right here. But we have to get these roots out of there.
Yeah.
You know, you can't put an implant in there.
Yeah.
So we got the jackhammer ready.
That's why I like coming here, man.
Turn this way. Alright, so since you are wide awake, you're going to be aware of me pushing like that.
Yeah.
It didn't break. That's the hard part. There you go. Okay, let's turn like that. We can repair him. Let's see.
Alright, so I'm done. My family said they came and picked me up.
Now we have to get some.
Yes.
Daddy has to get some.
Get out of here.
Did that.
Chucky.
Cool right here in the shade.
I know. It's probably windy. They probably didn't even hear anything. Bye. It's like I got a smile.
Honey, we went to the thinking, he picked out a stormtrooper guy before I knew it. We're buying the stormtrooper guy. He's getting his heart put in. He's having the song put in. You know, he's got cotton candy scent rubbed all over him. And we had an outfit.
$20,000 Build-A-Bear.
That'll be $30,000 in your second born child. And then we went and got more candies.
Oh,
And
just
then
what I
Mama
need.
went to Victoria's Secret.
Hey!
It's a door.
And I got some things I needed.
Rock, did you like Victoria's Secret?
Yeah. Which those cars look like spaceships.
They look like spaceships, yeah.
Look how it says, speaking of which.
Honey, are you okay to drive?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry, honey. What was that you said?
What did he say? I'm not supposed to be laughing too much.
I'm just shy. Yes, baby.
Did you get that?
What is that? Victoria's Secret bag? Yes. Daddy, so
Victoria's Secret bag.
which way are we going now?
Victoria's Secret bag.
I don't know. I definitely went the wrong way.
Where's the cotton candy guy sitting?
Oh man, what is your bear's name?
Look, he's trying to. Okay,
Max.
okay, people. He's trying to talk all normal right now. You should have heard him before I got the camera out. He was on.
Who did that?
Look who weaseled his way into the pool. Hi, Chugi.
guy had gone to Mexico, and I said, well, didn't it occur to
Aha!
Best summer for one at a time.
Ooh, I am sweating. Sweating to the oldies, man. Leaving my sister's house. She was so cool to let us stay here at her house. And now we're headed back to Vegas. I've got a huge blood clot in my tooth area where I'm gonna get an implant put in. Ow! Dang, man. That was brutal. All right, Victoria. Bye, Gracie.
Bye, I love you.
I love you too. You're my niece, huh?
Yep.
Not my cousin, you're Rock's cousin.
Yeah.
I love you. I'll see you in
I
a
love
couple
you
of
too.
weeks for Rock's healing party, okay?
All right. See you there.
I'll text you guys when I get to Vegas, baby, yeah.
Yeah.
Woo. Bye, Victoria. All right, see you guys in Vegas. Chucky, you really liked staying here, huh?
Yeah, I do.
You're so cute. I love the way he talks.
No, he's not. No, he's not.
Well, we're almost back to Vegas. It's been quite the drive, but we're almost home, right, baby?
You're almost home.
And I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh, honey,
Yeah.
Wow, my wife is having mercy on me. Guess what we're eating tonight?
No, ask a reflex. No, ask a reflex.
Wow, Raising Cane's.
No,
These guys are totally enjoying their food. Look at Ross. How is it, Judy? Thumbs up, mommy.
Say